Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I Muhammad Imtiaz Hussain welcome you to today's class. Today we will learn geometry. So let's start our class. See what type of figure is this? Yes, you are right. This is angle. What type of figure is this? Triangle. Yes, it is triangle. It has three sides. See the next one. What type of figure is this? What can we say? Triangle has three sides, but it has four sides. What can I say? Four sides. Yes, it is quadrilateral. Today we will learn quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? The word quadrilateral. Quad means four, lateral means side. Four side. The definition will be the figure which has four sides is called a quadrilateral. See the figure. It has four sides. So it is a quadrilateral. There are different type of quadrilateral. See, all the figure, all are quadrilateral, but by the figure and side and depend on angle, we can tell its different name. See, this figure, this is rectangle. Why it is rectangle? It has opposite sides are equal, angles are right angle. So we can tell the definition: a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and angles are right angle is called a rectangle. So now we will learn how to draw rectangle. See, first we will draw a line segment. Then we will give its name BC. We will point out here the line segment. On the line segment we will draw rectangle. On the B we will put on protector. See the protector. Then we will put dot there. Then with this dot we will draw on angle, that is right angle. Keep it in your mind. This side will be big, this side will be less. So we can give its name. We will make it less. Now it is point. Now with this point we can give its name A. So I got A, B, C. This is a right angle. On the basis of right angle we have to draw rectangle. We know rectangle has angles are right angle. So now we will take the length of BC. Then from the A in upper side we will draw on arc on upper side. This is the part of a circle. Arc means part of a circle. Then we will take the length, exact length of AB. Then on the C point we will give on arc. Then we got a new point. Then this new point name is D. Now we will add it. We will add this point D and C. Then we will draw another figure of here, another line. We will add A and D. What will be here? Now we can tell this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Why we can tell rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Look, this side and this side equal. This side and this side equal. These are equal. Now we can write here A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Rectangle. Have you understood? Rectangle. Look, what are the properties of rectangle? Properties are opposite sides are equal and angles are right angle, and it is parallel also. It is parallel. This line parallel, this line parallel. Have you understood rectangle? You will practice how to draw it. See the another figure. All sides are equal and angles are right angle. What type of figure is this? Yes, it is a square. So what will be the definition? A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and angles are right angle is called a square. Now we will learn how to draw a square. Okay? With me, take your equipment. First we will draw a line in down. Line in down. We can give its name B, C. We will make it short, not bigger. C. B and C. We give its point. Now we will draw right angle. So on the B point, we will fix protector like this way. Then we will give dot over there. Then we will add this line. If we add this line, we can get a right angle. Look, exactly I have drawn. Now with the protector, with the compass, we will draw arc inside the angle. Follow me how. Look, we will take same length. Look, same length. Here we will give arc. Here we will give arc. Then I will make it short. It should be same length and same size. All sides are equal. That is why we will give arc inside the angle. This side also we will give arc. Now we got a new point. What we will do? Its name. This is A. This is D. Now we will add this point. This confirm. Then we will add it. Then we will add it. Now this figure is called square. So we will write it down here. A, B, C, D is a square. What are the properties of square? The properties, 1 number properties is all sides are equal. 2 number properties is angles are right angle. Okay. And we have more properties. Next class, inshallah, we will learn more properties. Now, see this figure. All sides are equal, but angles are not right angle. This is rhombus. What will be the definition of rhombus? The figure whose all sides are equal, angles are not right angle, is called a rhombus. So now we will learn how to draw rhombus. Similarly, we will draw one line segment in down. We give its name B and C. Now we know rhombus angles are not right angles, so we don't need to use protector now. My wish, I will draw one angle here, like on acute angle. What type of angle is this? Acute angle. We give its name A. Now with the protector, all sides are equal, this figure. So with the protector, we will cut the same part. Then we will make it short, we will make it short. Now with this point, with the same length, be very careful, it should be same length. This side and this side will be same length. From there we will draw an arc in this side, and here also we will draw another arc. Now what I will do, we will add this point, we will add DC, D and C, DC we will add, and there we will add another line A and D. Now see the figure. This figure is called rhombus. We will write it down here. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Okay. Actually, if we push the square and it break down the angle, it become rhombus. Have you understood? So what are the properties of rhombus? See the properties of rhombus. Properties of rhombus, number 1, all sides are equal. Angles are not right angle. Have you understood? Now we will learn another figure. Now we will learn a special figure, a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel is called a parallelogram. So definition of parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. See the figure. This is, we have learned as a rectangle. See the rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this one we can tell parallelogram. See this figure. You are telling this is square. Yes, it is a special name is square, but it is parallelogram. Why it is parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, angles are right angle. Look, my condition is opposite sides are equal and parallel, so it is parallelogram. Its difference is, look, this rectangle and square, the difference is opposite sides are equal, its all sides are equal, other than same. But my condition for parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. See this is square, this side parallel and equal, this side equal and parallel. So it is parallelogram. See the next one. This rhombus also parallelogram. See, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we can tell all are parallelogram, and a special name of this parallelogram is This is rectangle, this is rhombus, and this is square. Have you understood? This is parallelogram. If we want to draw on parallelogram, we can draw rectangle, we can draw square, we can draw rhombus. But a special size of parallelogram we can draw like this way. Angle, it's easy to draw, that is why we will draw like this way. On this side, another side we will write. This side is big, this side is small, so we give its name A, B, C. I did not measure here. It can be acute angle. It can be right angle also. Now with the compass we will take the same distance of BC, exact distance of B and C. B and C. From the A point we will draw on arc. Now we will take the length of AB. Length of AB. From C we will draw another arc. Now I got a point. We can give it D. Now we can add it. D and C we will add, and A and D we will add. Okay, exactly. Now we can say here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Two conditions. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So today we have learned rectangle, square, rhombus and parallelogram. And one new thing we have learned: rectangle, square, rhombus are parallelogram. Have you understood? And your homework will be this all 4 definition and figure. Write it and send it to us. Okay? Thank you. Hope you will practice. Assalamu alaikum.